Hi. Almost forgot about that. Little cute one today. Welcome back, or welcome, if you've not been here before. If you're still watching these, get a life. One of you has to, because I'm not. I'm here. I have a vision in my head of what I want to do. I'm going to do some blue bits. Work with blue. I'm looking a bit hairy right now, so I'm going to shave my face and put my base on and eyebrows and powder and stuff off camera, and then get back to you and get cracking with the eyes and do sort of the face painty portion of it. I guess I'll see you in like 1 second, but that'll be in like an hour or so because makeup's long, man. Alright. I'm back. I've done my base and I'm now baking with Fenty Pro Filter setting powder in banana. Right, let's get into the eyes. Priming the eyelids as I always do with my Louise base in 0.5. I've already carved my brows out. I've already carved my brows out with the Louise base as well. Blend it out with my PC23 from Peaches and Cream. I'm going in with the Carnival Pro Palette by Stacey MUA. I'm gonna sort of go soft spot, make waves, and mood. Those three blues, Morphe M456, and into soft spot here, and map out my crease shape. Out, get out, get out. And keeping my eyes open as I'm doing this so that when I'm looking forward you can see the colour and the blend and all that shit. So now that first colour's on, I'm just going to blend out above that colour with the Pillow Talk, the off-white colour. Okay, going in with a darker colour, make waves, this one here. I'm just going a little bit below, further into the crease that we're making. And this is the Peaches and Cream PC39. If you've already done your base like I have, I bake, but also this powder catches the fallout from the eyeshadow, if you know what I mean. When that's laid down, go back in with the first brush and blend just above that. And we're going to darken even more with Mood, a navy blue, right on the bottom portion of the crease. Tiny little Morphe M149. Whew, that's good. I rate that. I rate that. I highly rate that. After that darkest shade, go back in with the first brush with no product on it and just blend right in the middle of those colours. And then if you need to, I'm going back in with the Pillow Talk colour just right underneath the brow. I'm proper happy with that. Let's cut the crease with my dermacolour in the colour White Shite, D070, which is white. Ooh, right out there. I'm going to set the crease. The dermacolour isn't a self-setting product, so I'm just going to go in with my kryolan translucent powder. Okay, I'm just going to brush off the bake. Okay, let's do the lower lash line. Using the same 3 colours as I did with a little angled brush. I'm going to get the dermacolour on a tiny little paintbrush and just go on my waterline just into the lash line as well. For lower lash line, I'm going in with the same 3 blues, starting with a really tiny angle brush, going in with the soft spot colour, going just below my actual inner corner and making that line there. I'm just going to smudge it out a little bit with the Peaches and Cream PC14, same colour, just smudging it out a little bit. The first brush that I used for my crease line, I haven't put any extra product on it, but I'm just going to use this to sort of smoke this out a bit. Taking that angled brush again with Mood, actually, just going to skip the middle one and go straight in with the navy, right on the line. Yes, yes. With that dermacolour, let's just sort of define that inner corner here. And then I'm just taking just a tiny little pencil bullet brush and just blending that. And I'm going to do some liner now. Not bad. It's not good, but not bad. Move on to glitter now. Okay, I'm going to mix 2 glitters. There's MAC Silver and MAC Pale Mint. I'm going to paint some lash glue onto my lid where I want the glitter. Okay, I'm going to go into the glitter with my finger. Cute. Just brush away the excess glitter. I'm also just going to quickly go in with a pigment just in the inner corner. This pigment's called Mermaids by Peaches and Cream. Just going to go into this inner corner here. Oof. Just a little bit under the brow. Yes. I'm going to go back into the eyebrows and just reinforce them, make them darker. Put a few flicks at the front just to make them a bit bushier. Spray my face a little bit. And I lightly go in with some bronzer. Just going to brighten the under eye and the forehead with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Finish Flawless Powderish and a Peaches and Cream face brush PC21, and just go under the eyes. Yes. Right, I'm going to stick a lash on. Unicorn Lashes in Glamazon. This next bit I'm quite scared of. This is the whole point of this tutorial, is to do this. What I want to do is some like clouds across my nose and here, and then maybe on my forehead. Nikkitutorials did her Valentine's Day makeup tutorial with pink clouds, but I wanted to try it in blue with white clouds. This could potentially just ruin this whole makeup tutorial, but let's see what happens. I'm going back in with my Palette PC25 brush. Mix between, I'm going to mix soft spot and make waves. Oh my god, this could go terribly wrong. Okay, oh god, am I ruining my face? Probably, yes. A bit on the forehead as well. Kind of want it to look like a sky kind of situation. This is also inspired by By.Sulli. Link to By.Sulli's Instagram face chart with the clouds below, and also Nikki's tutorial. Just do some darker spots as well. Okay, I look crazy. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit more. Okay. Oh my god, what am I doing? Right, so I've mixed some white dermacolour with some MAC paint from the paint stick in blue. Taking my flat kryolan number 10 brush with the paint. Okay, one. Oh my god, is this even a good idea? I'm just blending them underneath. Okay, that looks a bit cloudy. Whew. Okay. What am I doing? Should I do another one on my forehead here? Well, too late. Right, it's enough. Okay, so I'm going to take that peaches and cream pigment and go over some of the little poofs. The clouds. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm going to do some lower lashes. I'm just done 3 on each eye. Get a bit of lash glue just in between my lower lashes. And just some rhinestones, like that. Do I need to? I don't even know if I need to. I'm just going to do my nude lip like I always do with my 2 Fenty lipsticks, Unbutton and Unveil. Oh my goodness, I think my makeup is done. I'm going to tie my face tapes together, put a wig on and have a final look for you. I'll see you in a tick. Yes. Oh god, my ears are popping from altitude. Got my head in the clouds. Webster wig. What's new? Amelia in Peach Frost. Proper happy about these clouds, you know. Dead, creative, and all that. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. That'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.